Universities are rethinking what it means to study computer science. Why? Because artificial intelligence isn't just changing the tools, it's changing the entire playbook.
The shift in computer science. AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot are now writing entire programs. As a result, universities are asking a serious question. Should we still focus on teaching students to code line by line? Institutions like Carnegie Mellon are leading the change, shifting focus from syntax and languages toward AI literacy, problem-solving, and critical thinking. The goal isn't just to create coders, but future-ready professionals who can collaborate with AI tools across industries.
The new reality.
The job market is no longer what it used to be. According to CompTIA, job listings for junior developers have dropped by 65% in just 3 years. Companies are automating beginner-level tasks using AI. That's why the National Science Foundation launched Level Up AI, a nationwide initiative to redefine computer science education. It brings together educators to outline what students really need to thrive in an AI-powered world.
Real voices, real change.
At Carnegie Mellon, some professors now allow students to use AI in their coursework, but that freedom comes with a learning curve. Many students relied too heavily on AI, only to realize they didn't fully understand the code it produced. Students like Connor Drake have had to evolve. After submitting 30 job applications, he finally landed a cybersecurity internship, but only after adding a minor in political science and joining a cybersecurity club. Adaptation is the new requirement.
What's next? Experts predict that while the number of traditional coding jobs may shrink, the number of people using AI to build software will explode. AI is becoming a tool for everyone, not just engineers. Whether you're in healthcare, law, or education, you'll soon be expected to work alongside AI.
So, if you're studying computer science today, remember this. It's no longer just about writing code. It's about learning how to think critically, solve problems creatively, and harness AI effectively. The future of tech belongs to those who know how to think, not just type.